On July 14, 1965, NASA achieved a groundbreaking milestone by conducting the first successful flyby of Mars with the Mariner 4 spacecraft. This mission, which took place 58 years ago, marked a pivotal moment in space exploration as it delivered the first-ever close-up images of Mars' surface back to Earth. The Mariner 4 was an engineering marvel, featuring a magnesium octagonal structure measuring 127 centimeters in length and 45.7 centimeters in width, with a total mass of 260.68 kilograms. Equipped with a suite of scientific instruments, the spacecraft boasted a magnetometer, a dust detector, a cosmic ray telescope, a trapped radiation detector, a solar plasma probe, and an ionization chamber coupled with a Geiger counter. Central to its mission was a TV camera mounted on a scanning platform, which successfully captured 21 images. These images provided glimpses of scattered mid-latitude regions, covering approximately 1% of Mars' surface. During its closest approach, Mariner 4 flew within 9,846 kilometers of the Martian terrain. This historic mission laid the foundation for future exploration of the Red Planet, igniting a sense of wonder and curiosity that continues to drive our quest for knowledge about Mars and beyond.